Hello guys, in this quick video I'm going to show you how to enable lockdown mode on your iPhone. So go to your settings, scroll all the way down and look for privacy and security. Click on it. Now you have to scroll all the way down. You're going to see where it says lockdown mode. Click on it. Turn on lockdown mode. It's going to show you all the things that will be disabled when you turn on lockdown mode. Click on turn on lockdown mode. Now it will prompt you to turn on and restart your device. So that's how you enable lockdown mode on your iPhone. That's all for this video. See you guys in the next one.